everyone, welcome back to another Sunday reset routine. Today I'm going to be in the laundry room for the majority of this video because I need to get in here and do a deep clean. We have dirt on the floor, lint, hair. I need to get the baseboards, mop the floors, wipe the washer and dryer down. We have dirt in here because we do scrub our shoes at the sink in there. I need to get all that stuff up and clean the sink. I do have some laundry I'm going to be doing later on in this video, as well as some decorating in our new cabinet upstairs, so stay tuned for that and let's get started. The laundry room has always been one of those rooms where I do skip past when it comes to cleaning. I don't go in here as often as I should and mop the floors because there's always clothes drying on our drying rack in there, and I just kind of skip past it. And since I didn't have any clothes hanging to dry just yet, I felt the need to go in here and get it done. We are going on vacation in a few days, so it'll be nice to come home and do laundry in a clean laundry room. I will say it's not terrible. It could be worse, but I just haven't been in here to mop in a while, so I need to get that done. Right now, I'm just wiping down the washer and dryer with a semi-damp microfiber cloth. In the laundry room today, I'm just going to be using a vinegar mix. This is just vinegar and water to wipe down the washer and dryer and the countertop. You're trying to wipe down your washer and dryer and you have a front load like this, make sure to get inside the door of your washing machine. There's always going to be like a rubber lip that you can just kind of pull back and get whatever it catches. You'll be surprised at what you find in here. Sometimes it'll be coins, but for me, most of the time it's stickers and hair. Stickers mainly from the kids' clothing or whatever's in their pocket. A lot of times it catches it in this little lip, so make sure you get in there from time to time and clean it out. Of course, we all know this, but make sure to take out your filter after every load, if not every other load, and clean out your filter, because apparently you can start a fire if you let it build up too long without cleaning it out. So make sure you're doing that. If you have lint stuck in your filter that you can't get out with your hands, remember that you can put it in some hot soapy water and use a scrub brush or a sponge and it should come right out. So the drawer under the dryer holds all of our dryer sheets, dryer balls, cleaning cloths, and there's an iron back there. The cleaning cloths are the ones that we use all over the house, not in the kitchen. Those are different. So I'm just reorganizing the cleaning cloths because they got out of hand. Getting down to the floor, this was the worst part of the room. I'm just gonna shake out this rug. There is a lot of dirt and hair and lint all over the place. The camera doesn't do it justice, but it's all over. If you look close enough, you probably could see. I'm gonna vacuum that up, and then I'm gonna take out my Swiffer power mop. So this is something I should have done before I vacuumed, and that is clean the baseboards, because obviously lint and things fall off the baseboards onto the floor. So I'm going to do another quick vacuum after I do this. I'm just using a damp microfiber cloth to wipe my baseboards down. I find that that's the easiest way to do it. So I'm going to do that really quick all around, and then vacuum really quick, and then mop. This is the washing machine cleaner that we are currently using. I find that it works pretty well. I'm going to be doing this later on tonight off camera because I have a couple loads of laundry that I'm going to be doing, and you'll see that in a second. But I thought I would take it out and show you guys what we're using. This is all the kids' clothes that I just finished washing and they are done drying. So I'm gonna fold that up, put it in the little laundry basket, take it upstairs and put it away. The last thing I'm going to be doing in this video is decorating our cabinet. You guys saw me unbox this a few months back in another video, and I'm just now getting around to what I want to put in here. I had some things in here before, but it was just kind of thrown in there with no real thought behind it. So I'm just going to be putting these two little vases at the very top with some flowers. And then I have this really cool rechargeable lamp that doesn't need to be plugged in. There's no batteries. And then there's a few different light settings. Other places I would definitely put this is in a bathroom, a guest bathroom, a kitchen, a desk, and also if you're doing like a dinner party, a few of these down the middle of the table would be really cool too. Added a little touch of Christmas with those little wooden houses and a little Christmas tree behind it. All right, so here's the cabinet for now. This is where I'm gonna stop at. I definitely will be changing things up as time goes on, because I like to switch things up. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.